Watsonville traffic, going from Winston, and departing runway 20, left down at departure, Watsonville.
We la la la, say we don't care. I fall apart when you're not there. We la la la, yeah, we know it. We la la la, yeah, we know it. We la la la, say we don't care. I fall apart when you're not there. We la la la, yeah, we know it. We la la la, yeah, we know it. And we know it.
Turning left approximately 20, Watsonville.
When you're not there, we la la la, yeah, we know it. We la la la, yeah, we know it, and we know it.
It's a very nice Stinson you got there.
Thank you. Been flying for 20 years, still can't get the landing straight.
Oh, you never will. Don't even bother trying. That's the joys of a tailwheel. It's always fun.
Keeps you on your toes.
I had a 108-2. I loved it.
This is basically a Dash 1 converted to a Dash 2.
Actually, theoretically, mine was too, so I always say Dash 2, but same thing.
Goodyear was the first owner and they did the entire upgrade.
Very nice.
Well, stopped in San Martin for fuel, but their fuel is not working, so back to Watsonville.
San Martin traffic, Stetson 8306 Kilo, departing runway 14, straight out departure of 1 San Martin. By the way, if it helps anybody, it doesn't look like the fuel island is working. Alrighty. That sort of sucked. But, oh well.
Watsonville traffic, last start 224, turn in final, 20, full stop Watsonville.